box, right? So yes, and we go. So you already know the thumbnail, and also you already know the title of the title of the video, right? So okay, without further ado, let's go to start up unboxing of the way. We have got a new item, and it's also good for camping, right? So this for camping, or you can go anywhere, you can bring this anywhere because this is a portable electric kettle, right? Okay, so here we go, guys. So I'm gonna have to turn on the other angle of the camera so that you will see clearly the item. All right, this we've got a new unboxing for today, and then yes, let's go gonna open it up. Okay, let's go gonna open it up. So and then this just arrived. So I didn't know that the delivery is so fast, right? So, yeah, box is in a good condition, right? Nothing to worry about it. So how they, oh, okay, so it says right here portable electric kettle, right? So okay, let's go, gonna have to unbox this. Okay, let's go, gonna have to unbox this one, and then let's go over to unbox this, right? So yes, so either you are, you know, some, okay, and then I chose black, right? I think this is the black one. I chose the black. Okay, oh, okay, they got a, what is this? Okay, they got a pouch bag. Why? Right, okay, so we got the manual. Okay, product manual, bent hole, sealed model, carrying handle, oh, cup lid, cup body, display function, switching functions, lift lid model, drinking mouth. Okay, gonna have to step aside this first. Okay, okay, there you go. Oh, feels kind of heavy, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to step aside the box. Okay, it says rechargeable. So yeah, it says right here, portable kettle. It's right here. Yeah, okay, there you go. They got you know, nice. Okay, right here. Yeah, is the charging port. So I believe, I think the cable is right over here. Okay, there you go. Yeah, we've got the cable. What is this? Ah, they get a cleaning device also right over here. So yeah, let's go, gonna have to check it out, how to clean this up, how to use this one. Okay, and then okay, and then I think it's gonna have to, I think, okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah, like that's one. Okay, and then you just have to, you know, like that. Yeah, yes, good. Okay, so what is this right here? Be cautious of the steam to prevent burns after boiling, and automatic tripping. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for pressure relief before opening the lid. So I think this is gonna be the outside of the boiling water, right? So steam. Yeah, okay, so got some right over here. For the close one. So let's go, gonna have to check the charger. Okay, so this is the charger, right? The charging cable. So in order for you to charge, in order for you to boil water, right? So yeah, usually American plug, right? So you know, I can also take this off, you know, this one right here. Yeah, just you have to make a plier, right? So yeah, it's because, you know, sometimes, yeah, this one right over here too is still working without this one, right? So yeah, that is the purpose for that one also. Yeah, okay, and then yeah, because in the Philippines we used to cut it, because in the Philippines we used to cut this one right over here, right? So since our outlet in the Philippines has only two outlet, right? But also you can choose another, that one, okay. There you go, just like that one, right? So and then I'm gonna have to take it off, okay. Then you got right over here is the touch control. Oh, okay, it's a touch control. So 131 degrees Fahrenheit is warm. What's this one? 212 degrees Fahrenheit is boil. And if you are going on to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, so you're gonna have to go to the warm, right? So if you are going to the milk, it's 113 degrees Fahrenheit, right? For the milk. So you're gonna have to warm some water. If you, yeah, 131 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you are on to boil, so if you want to boil some water, 212. So okay, let's go, gonna have to try this one, okay? I'm gonna have to try this one, okay? So let's go get over to the kitchen and to test this one, okay? So I'm gonna have to put some water on it, okay? So let's go, gonna have to put some water, okay? Then, okay, let's not just, and then I'm gonna have to close it up, okay, and then have to there you go, and then I think you can see it, right? Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the, 212. Okay, there you go. So, yeah, as you can see, the time is gonna that I think that is the temperature, right? So that is the temperature, so it's gonna be boiling right here at the top, right? So the so let's just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, right, to boil it up. So let's just wait for a couple of minutes, okay? So I'm gonna have to make a time on it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make a time. A timer, okay. It says 2 to 3 minutes, okay. Okay, there you go. So I'm still not hearing the boil of the water, right? So so that one right here, the running time, the running, that is the temperature, right? So yeah, it's still not going to 100, it's still not going to 212, I think, right? So it's now on 1 minute, right? So 159, 160, okay, 161, 62, right? One 170, 171, okay. It's going up. Okay, it's going up. Yeah. Okay, and we are now on 1 minute, right? So okay. Yes, I can feel it. So I can feel already. I can feel it in my hands that it is now boiling inside, right? Yes. Nice. Okay. So we are now in 45 seconds, right? And it's now on 190, 191. Okay, 192. Yeah, until it reached the exact temperature of the boiling water, right? So and also the side of the one is gonna be at the bottom. There's a smoke on it, right? So we are now on, yeah, okay, we are now 16, 15, okay, and we are now 197, 197, 98 degrees Fahrenheit, okay, and 5, 4, 2, 1. There you go. Yes, and it's gone 200. Right? Yes. And it's also 201. Yeah, it is boiling inside already, right? It is boiling inside already. So it's still 202, right? So I think you're gonna have to start. You're gonna have, because I didn't start. Right? I didn't start that time of the exact also, right? When I touch it, okay? Yeah, there it goes on a 203. So I forgot it's to 212, right? So I think it is a 212. Yes, it's a 212 degrees Fahrenheit for to boil the water inside, right? So this is gonna have to wait for the 212. Oh, okay, there it goes. Yeah. I saw already the smoke, right? Yeah, it's perfect. It's really good. It is really working, right? It's really working, right? So I have to stop this one. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna have to stop that one. Okay, and then I have to turn it off, and then let's go check the inside. All right. So be careful because it is hot. Okay, I have to be. Okay, I have to be careful, okay? Ooh, wow, that is really hot. Okay. Wow, okay. Yeah, you can check that one right there. Yeah. Okay. And then yes, there you go. You can see right there. Yeah. It's really hot. Ooh, wow, okay. Perfect, nice, okay. I think this will be a good addition to my I think this will be a good addition when I'm going to work, right? So getting some, like this one. Right, so perfect, already good, and also yeah, it's really hot. If you want to just like that, and then you just have to go and make some hot chocolate, right? All right. So all right, yes, yeah, really nice, and also I love it. So it's still hot. It's still hot, when I hold it, even though there's no water on it, right? So yeah. It is nice one also, yeah, if you want, but if you want to use this one, you just have to, like that, and then yeah, because there's a water in it there, and yeah, you just have to wipe that one. Yeah, and this one right here is also, this one right here is also washable, right? So if you want to wash it up, right? So yeah, you just have to, you know, wipe that one. Yeah, there you go. Grab it. There you have it. Good. It is also awesome, right? I love this already. So yeah, and yeah, and then you just have to, you know, like that also. It's a sponge, right? It's a sponge. But you know, this one right here is you can also wash that one, right? It is a washable also. Yeah, it's, I think it's a microfiber sponge, right? And if you don't want to use it, just like that, and then okay, and then just put it this in, right? Just put it in here, just like that. Okay, you just have to put that one over here, and then there you go. And then also this one also you can have, just have to, you just have to put it, and then this one, okay, the, you know, okay, I'm gonna have to, hopefully it will not go to the, you know, right? And then there you go, and then there you go, you're good to go, right? So yes, perfect. There you go, there you have it. Electric portable kettle, right? There you go. So I'm gonna have to take again to take it off, right? So yeah, and the remaining is the, you know, just like that one, right? Perfect, good, and yeah, really nice also. It is a perfect combination of my coffee mug right over there when when I bought it in the thrift store. So when I want to store when I want to, if I want to store hot water, so I'm gonna have to put that one over there for my thermos, right? For my minimalist thermos right there. So for hot chocolate, right? This one is really perfect combination for my mini thermos, right? Okay, there you go, there you have it. This one, really like it a lot. So yes, it's gonna be a good one. So yeah, since the microwave, when I am heating water on the microwave, and then after for 1 minute, right? So I heat water in the microwave for 1 minute, right? But when I, you know, just a couple of minutes, you know, the water, when I am putting hot chocolate in a couple of minutes, the hot water the water that I heat it up in the microwave, in a couple of minutes is getting warm, right? So yeah, so that is why I think this one is better, and it's low on watt, right? So low on wattage. So we got right here, we get the rated power of 300 watts, right? Yeah. So when I research it in the internet, when I research it, so 300 watt is lower, right? So lower. So, and it's also, you got some the rated voltage of frequency of 120 volts to 60 hertz. What? Not bad, right? Not bad if you really want to have this one. So, and it's also, you can also use this for travel, for camping, right? For camping, and also hiking, and also backpacking or bike packing. So since I'm into bike packing and cycling, right? So yes, I always bring, it's because I always bring, it's because I always drink coffee and hot chocolate, right? So yeah, this one is a very good, this one is a good go-to for, you know, go-to for anywhere, right? So if you are traveling in another state, you can bring this one right over here. So no need to worry about it. You're good to go for this one. I think I saw this one also from the other YouTuber, right? Camper YouTuber, that they have this one. It is a touch screen also, right? So it's a touch screen right over there. So you just have to touch, and the designated temperature of what do you want, right? So we've got a 212 degrees Fahrenheit for the boiling water. So if you want to stew, okay, we got the 176 degree Fahrenheit. And also the other one right here, if you want to use you want to warm some water, is a 131 degrees Fahrenheit. and also 113 degrees Fahrenheit is very well. So the highest is 212 if you wanted to boil water really yes. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. So I bought this on Temu, right? So I bought this on Temu, and it's all the reviews are really good. Yeah, so and it's also if you are so interested for this one also, you can I will put down the link in the description box below. Alright, so thank you so much, and see you again on the next video, everyone.